हरि ओम. This is Srimad Bhagavad Gita class, which was interrupted for some time, and we continue it after some time. We'll be taking 5 verses a day. Earlier it was 10 verses, which I find is not good. So I'll be taking 5 verses a day. This is chapter 2. Chapter 2 is called Sankhya Yoga, and it consists of 72 verses, and it is the biggest chapter other than chapter 18. Chapter 18 is 78 verses, whereas chapter 2 is 72 verses. And in chapter 2, all the yogas, that is Karma Yoga, then Sankhya Yoga, that is Karma Yoga, then Bhakti Yoga and Sankhya Yoga, all 3 yogas are included in chapter 2. So we begin it. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीमष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्धतामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम् नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्रा येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्ण प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपा प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवैत्रैकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतं दुहे नमः. सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दना पार्थो वत्ससुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत् वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनां देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं भीष्मद्रोणतथा जयद्रथजला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवती कृपेण वहनी कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनि सोत्तीर्ण खलु पाण्डवैरणनदी कैवर्तककेशवा पराशर्यवचसरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटं नानाख्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाबोधितं लोके सज्जनषट्पदैरहरः पेपीयमानां मुदा भूयात् भारतपङ्कजकलिमल प्रध्वंसिन श्रेयसे. मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवै वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदै गायन्ति यं सामगा ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुः सुरासुरगणा देवाय तस्मै नमः. देवाय तस्मै नमः. देवाय तस्मै नमः. That was Gita Dhyanam, the summary of the whole Mahabharata. Now I sing one small piece of bhajan. Om Namah Shivaya. 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 Those chapter 2, verse number 20. न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयात् अजो नित्य शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचिन् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयात् अजो नित्य शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणो न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे न जायते. न जायते means this is talking about the soul, Atma. Na jayate means it has no birth. Na jayate mriyate va kadajin. Mriyate means it has no death. It has neither birth nor death. There can be death only when one is born. Na jayate. Therefore, the Atma or the soul is immortal. The Atma or the soul is immortal. Na jayate mriyate va kadachin nayam bhutva bhavida va na bhuya. Ajo nitya. Ajo means again the same thing, repetition. Ajo means unborn. Nitya. Nitya means eternal. Shashwadoyam Purano. Shashwada is again, Shashwada means living at all times is called Shashwada Purano. Na Hanyade. Hanya means to kill. Na Hanyade means it cannot be killed. Which one? The soul cannot be killed. Hanyamane Sharire. Nor can it be killed. It cannot be killed. You cannot kill it. Nor can it be killed. Is the meaning. So, na jayade mriyade va kadachin. It is there is a little bit of repetition in these verses because the meaning is one and the same, that the soul cannot be killed because it is not born. A thing can be killed only if it has got life. In one of the verses, Bhagavan, Krishna says that the soul is living in the sarva karmani manasa sanyasyastam sukham vasi navadware pure dehi naiva kurvanna karayan. Sarva karmani manasa sanyasyastam sukham vasi navadware pure dehi naiva kurvanna karayan. All actions are prompted by the mind. All actions are prompted by the mind. Sarva karmani manasa sannyasastam. And the soul lives in the 9 gates palace without doing anything. Naiva kurvanna karayan. Nor nor anything being done to it. Which means that the soul is not doing anything, but without the soul, nothing happens also. So every action is done by the mind, prompted by the mind. You go there, you come here, you do that, you do this, all by mind. Understand? So just like that, na jayate means this mind is not, this soul is not born. Mriyate eva katajin, or it is, it is that, because only if only the thing is born, it is killed, or it is dead, can die. Nayam bhutva bhavita vanapuya ajo nitya shaswadoyam bhu na hanyade hanyamane sharire. It is only this body, shariram, this body, which is dying. And the indweller who is the soul does not die. Okay. Next verse. Veda vinashinam nitya ya enam ajam avyayam katam sa purusha partha kam khadayadi andiham. Veda means to know, knowledge. Veda means, the word Veda means knowledge. So Veda avinashinam nityam. Avinashinam means which has no end. Vinasha means having an end. Avinasha means not having an end. Veda means that you know, Arjuna. Telling Arjuna that you know, Mr. Arjuna, that Veda avinashinam. This soul is avinashinam, that which cannot be, that which does not die and which cannot be destroyed. Avinashinam. Nityam. Nityam means always living. Is Nityam. It is always. Veda avinashinam. Anityam. Veda avinashinam anityam. Anityam. Anityam means which cannot be. Veda avinashinam nityam. This is always nityam. Veda avinashinam nityam. Nityam means always living. Veda avinashinam. It is living, but it cannot be killed. Ya enam ajam avyayam. Ajam means unborn. Enam ajam. Avyayam. Avyayam means again indestructible. This is indestructible. Kadam sa purusha partha. Katham means how. How can it be? Partha. Kam khadayadi handi. How can it be killed? Katham means how. How can it be killed? The soul is always Veda avinashinam, which cannot be destroyed, because it is always living. It is always living. Cannot be destroyed. Ya yena majavaviyam kadam sa purusha partha kam khadayadi andigam. Next verse. 22. Yes. Vasamsi jirnani yatha vihaya navani grihyadi naro parani tatha sharirani vihaya jirna nanyani samyadi navani dehi. Vasamsi jirnani yatha vihaya navani grihyadi naro parani tatha sharirani vihaya jirna nanyani samyadi navani dehi. Vasamsi. Vasam means cloth. Wearing cloth is called vasamsi. Jirnani. Jirnani means when it becomes decay or old. Yatha vihaya. Vihaya means to cast off. Navani grihyadi naro parani. Navani means new. Grihyadi means you get it. Naro means human beings or man. Parani. Another one. Tatha sharirani. Tatha means also. Sharirani means in the body. Vihaya jirna. The sharira, that is the body, when it becomes old. Jirna means old. Old and decay is called jirna. Anyani samyadi navani dehi. When the body becomes old and not fit, then dehi means the soul. The soul takes another body. The soul takes another body. Anyani samyadi nava, a new body. This is a very great verse number 22 of chapter 2, which is often quoted. Vasamsi jirnani yatha vihaya navani grihyadi naro parani tata sharirani vihaya jirna nanyani samyadi navani dehi. Just as we cast off our cloth when it becomes old and decay and take another cloth for wearing, just like this shirt, when it becomes old, we just throw it away and take another shirt to wear. Like that, the soul, that is the Atma, soul residing in the body, cast away the old body and takes a new body, because the old body is no more useful. As you may be aware, in the Sanatana Dharma, in the Hinduism, in Sanatana Dharma, they believe in the life after death. There is a continuity of death. In one of the places, in one of chapter, I think it's chapter 4, where it states, Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyojatande kalevaram tam tamaiveti gaundeya sada sadbhava bhavida. Which means that when you leave this body, whatever you think, that in the same stature you will be reborn. That means if you think of money only at the time of leaving your body, then you will be reborn as a baniya or a businessman in the next birth. So therefore, it is necessary to merge your mind with the self, that is with the God, at the time of leaving the body. For that you must remember the God at the time of leaving the body. When your mind merges with the self, then there is no rebirth. It is given as a guarantee in one of the verses of Gita. So, unless and until your mind merges with the self, then a rebirth is a certainty. That is, in verse number 27, it is said, Jatasya hidruvo. 27 it is said, Jatasya hidruvo mrityu dhruvam janma mridasya cha. Jatasya hidruvo mrityu. A person who is born, death is certain. Dhruvam janma mridasya cha. Dhruvam janma mridasya cha. And a person who is born, the rebirth is also certain. Tasmad apariharyarte natvam shohidam. Therefore, Arjuna, you don't grieve. The rebirth is a phenomena. It's an accepted phenomena in the Sanatana Dharma, in the Hindu philosophy. But there is an exception, that when your mind merges with the God at the time of leaving your body, then you will not have a rebirth. Otherwise, Punarabhijanam, as stated in the Bhajagovindam. Punarabhijananam, Punarabhi Maranam. Punarabhijanani Jathare Shayanam. Punarabhijananam, Punarabhi Maranam. Punarabhijanani Jathare Shayanam. Iha samsare bahudustare kripaya pare pahi murare bhaja govindam bhaja govindam govindam bhaja mudamate. Otherwise you will have again birth, again death, again birth. The cycle will go on. So that is what it is explained here. Vasamsi jirnani yatha vihaya navani grihnadi naro parani tatha sharirani vihaya jirna nanyani samyadi navani dehi. Next verse number 23, chapter 2 is also very important. Nainam chindanti shastrani nainam dahadi pavakaha na chainam kledayandyapo na shoshayadi marudaha. Nainam chindanti shastrani nainam dahadi pavakaha na chainam kledayandyapo na shoshayadi marudaha. Nainam means na enam, means that does not do, na enam. Chindayadi means make it into pieces or cleaving or making into pieces is called chindayadi. Shastrani means by arrow. Nainam means that cannot be. Na enam is called nainam. Na plus enam is equal to nainam. Na plus enam is equal to nainam. Dahadi means to fire. Dahadi means to fire. Pavakaha, by fire. Dahadi means to make it into ashes. Dahadi, make it into ashes. Dahadi. Pavakaha means by fire. Dahadi means to make it into ashes. Pavakaha means by pavak means fire. Na chainam, that is na chainam. Na cha enam, na cha plus enam is equal to na chainam. Kledayandyapo, kledayandya means to dilute in water, by water. Kledayandyapo. Kledayandya means to dilute. Apu means water. Apu means water. Na shoshayadi marudaha. Na shoshayadi means to dry. Shoshayadi means to dry. Marudaha means air. This soul cannot be, which means that this soul cannot be cleaved by arrows, or can it be burned up by fire. Burned up means to make it into ashes by fire. Na chainam, nor can it be kledayandyapo, cannot be diluted by water. Na shoshayadi marudaha, nor can it be dried by air. There are 4 methods by which an object or a matter can be disposed of. Then you don't see that matter. There are 4 methods. One is to make it into pieces. The second is to burn it. The third is to put it in water or to wash it away. Wash it away. Klede and the apo. Wash it away. Then to dry it. These are the four methods by which one is to make it into pieces. The second is to burn it and make it into ashes. The third is to wash it in water. And the fourth one is to dry it by air. These are the four methods by which a matter can be made as not having matter. Cannot be seen by these methods. These are the four methods. But by all these four methods, the soul cannot be destroyed. These are the four methods of destruction. These are the four methods of destruction of an object. So these are the four methods of destruction of an object. That is by making into pieces. Next is by burning and making into ashes. The third one by washing in water. And the fourth one by drying by air. So this is the way, four ways of destroying a matter. So by these four methods, the soul cannot be destroyed. Nainam chindandi shastrani, nainam dahadi pavakaha, nachainam kledayandyapo, nashoshayati marutaha. Okay. Now verse number 24. अच्छेद्योयम अदह्योयम अक्लेद्यो अशोष्य एव च नित्य सर्वगतस्थाणुरचलोयम सनातनः. It is just giving the meaning of the earlier stanza in one verse. अच्छेद्योyam means that which cannot be made into pieces. Adahyoyam, that which cannot be burned. Akledyo, that which cannot be diluted in water. Kledyo, asosya evacha, that which cannot be dried. Nitya sarvagadastham. Nitya means always living. Nitya means eternal. Nitya Sarvagada means always living. Nitya means eternal. Sarvagada means always living. Sthanur Achaloyam, that which cannot be destroyed. Sanatanaha means always living. Sanatana Dharma, that is which cannot be destroyed. Hindu religion is Sanatana Dharma. It is not a religion, it is Sanatana Dharma, that which cannot be destroyed. So it is a repetition of the earlier verse number 23. This is verse number 24, which says Achedyoyam, that which cannot be made into pieces. Yama Adahyoyam, that which cannot be burned up. Ayama Akledyo, that which cannot be diluted in water. Asosya evaja, that which cannot be dried. Nitya, eternal. Sarvagada, that means living everywhere. Sthanurachaloyam sanatanaha. Sanatanaha means always living. Verse number 24. Now verse number 25. Avyaktoyam, ajindyoyam, avigaryoyam uchyade. Tasmadevam viditvainam na anushojidumarhasi. Na anushoja means to grieve. Therefore it is not suitable for grieving. Grieving means to live in sorrow. It is called grieving. Why? Because avyaktoyam, this is unmanifest. The soul is unmanifest. Avyaktoyam, unmanifest. Ayama chindyoyam, that which cannot be thought of. Ayama vikaryoyam uchyade. Tasmadevam, therefore, viditvainam nanu shojidum arhasi. This soul is avyaktam. Avyaktam means unmanifest. Ayama chindyoyam, that which cannot be thought of. Ayama avigaryoyam. Avigaryoyam. Avigaryoyam means that which avyaktoyam ajindyoyam avigaryoyam. Avigaryoyam. Avikaryoyam, avikaryoyam. Avyaktoya. Avikarya means immutable. Avikarya means immutable. I did not know that meaning. Avikarya means immutable. That means which cannot be killed. It is always living. It is only the same explanation. Avyaktoyam. Amachindyoyam. Avikaryoyam uchyade. Tasmadevam. Tasmad means therefore. Evam. This one. Viditvainam nanu shojidum arhasi. Therefore, you should not grieve. This message is given to Arjuna by Krishna. These are verses 20 to 25 of chapter 2 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Thank you for listening. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyade Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyade. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Hari Om Narayana Narayana